I want to take just a moment and introduce to you one of my favorite developer tools. This is a tool that I use every day. In fact, I have it open almost all of the time when I am working on a project. This is the Inspect Element tool. So let's say we wanted to take a look at this navigation on this page. So we can come up, we're going to right click, and then we're going to choose Inspect. This is going to open up this toolbar. Now most of the stuff that's shown here will be completely foreign for you at the moment, but as we work through this class it'll make a little more sense. So up here we can look at the HTML of a page. You'll notice as I hover over a different element in the HTML, it's highlighted in the left. Down in this corner we can see all of the CSS rules that apply to the content. And then over here we can see information about margins, padding, spacing, and dimensions of the different elements. And then down in this area we can kind of see all of the rules that are being inherited. So things like font, color, font size, font family, height, all of that information that is coming from anywhere in the CSS or from the browser itself. But not only can we inspect this information, but we can do some things to change it. We can see here that there's a background color of F8, 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 this light gray. I can go ahead and choose that color, open up this color picker, and I can make adjustments to that CSS. I could come in here and we could also add, so let's say we wanted to make the text white. I can type that in here as well, and that will apply over in the page. One of the other things we can do is, you'll notice that as I hover, the colors change. So we can come up here, we can right click, and we can indicate we want to look at the styles when hovering. You can see here's our background color and a border left color. Once again, we could change that color if we wanted, or we can just use these tools to help us to get a feel for how the content is laid out on this page, how the styles are applied. Anyway, great tool. I would encourage you to play with it. You will find that it will become invaluable to you as you develop web content.